They're nutty and nutritious, but they won't get you high.
We'll just add the hemp directly in and mix it to give it the texture of the Parmesan cheese.
These hemp seeds are from a variety of the cannabis sativa plant, otherwise known as marijuana, and they're a preferred addition to several dishes at this Northport restaurant.
And there's our hemp Caesar salad.
For vegans like Chef David Intonato, who eats no animal protein, hemp provides all the essential amino acids. Research also shows that these tiny seeds are rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fats and are high in fiber. Many say it's a superfood.
It has great texture. It can be used in a lot of different applications in cooking.
You probably won't find hemp on the menu in most Long Island restaurants, but here at the Purple Elephant, it's a key ingredient in the new signature dish.
Roll the elephant tuna in the hemp seed.
Intonato is calling the dish Rasta tuna sliders. After all, reggae is the music of choice here.
We serve it rare here, so we'll just give that about 10 seconds on each side.
Here we go.
It's more of a fun, casual dish, and that's what we like to do here, keep it fun and let people know that eating healthy doesn't have to be so serious.
Intonato says some customers ask if they can get high eating hemp, but government regulations assure that's not possible.
You're not going to achieve that goal with eating hemp seeds.
Instead, he suggests you'll get good vibes eating his kale and hemp salad.
Oh, thank you.
In Northport, I'm Mary Musi, News 12, Long Island.